She's now vegan in Northern California.
All right, and we are live. So today was a good day. I kind of just got distracted and went down a rabbit hole of bug fixing, though. This morning, I did something important. Oh, I fixed a few last-minute bugs to push up with our download fix. And the Mac app is officially released from Apple, and I just released it to the...
Which updates are in this version?
It's just the download revamp, so the app doesn't crash if you download like a whole course or however many downloads you put.
What about the new courses, like when they come out? Are we still?
Oh yeah, that's in there too. The new course, so you only have to open the app once, and it will add the course. Yeah, that was just some poor logic on my part. We were actually adding the existing courses before static data finished loading. So if it wasn't already loaded once, things would be missed, and that's what was happening. So that's fixed. And that Mac app, the Mac version's released. It should be available in the store any minute, so that's cool. I jumped on a phone call with Jason today and helped him with some website stuff so we can get our redemption code stuff up and running on the web, and I'm sure he's doing great with that. I don't know what else I did. Oh, I'm working on just a minor bug with introducing exercises to our platforms, and that will be done. And then the rest of the night, I will be working on the admin app, and that is my day.
I'd like to also point out, Jacob, that you did say there was a lot of stability increases and bug fixes in this current push. So yeah, it should be a lot more stable, everybody. It's a great work.
Yeah, I learned a cool, I always forget the name of it. 1 second, I'm gonna look. I should make a short video on it. The thread sanitizer debugging tool. It's really cool. I suggest looking into it if you don't know what it is.
Jacob,
it's awesome.
And you also you fulfilled the ultimate VP of engineering responsibility by staying up late last night working with Vimeo.
That's also true. So as a lot of you know, our streaming stopped working, and I overly stress and panic thinking it's my code or something I did, but tracked it down to just not our fault. So that was nice. So a few emails back and forth, and the streaming got fixed early this morning.
Cool. Nice.
I'm just glad it wasn't me. Woo. Would have been a short-lived VP of engineering, and everyone would be like, where'd Jacob go? All right, Jason.
Today, just working on the redemption feature for the website. It's been good. It's kept me banging my head up against the wall and thinking super hard, and so that's awesome. But the great news is, Jacob, I have successfully been able to call the array of all the redemption codes, their IDs, and the array of courses that they come with. So now that I got that figured out, and I know how to call the owned courses, I'm implementing, soon I'll be implementing that logic, but right now I am just quickly implementing the logic so when someone hits that redeem page, that if they're not a user or something like that, then the login/register modal will appear so that they can log in, and then I'll wrap up all the redemption code input stuff.
Sweet, man.
Jacob, do you want, I'm willing to offer my code reviewing services for any of Jason's code with the Angular, if you feel like that would help. Just
yeah, I'll probably tag you in anything, especially with big ones.
My biggest concern is not so much the code itself, but you know, Angular has its lifecycle methods and things are called at certain times and refreshed at certain times. And that's very Angular-ish stuff that you'd only know if you've been developing in Angular.
Yeah, no, that would be good. You're okay with that?
I feel more comfortable doing that.
Okay.
Versus you just glancing at Jason's code requests and then it going in the code base.
Well, I actually do pull all the stuff down and.
Well, I won't be doing that, but I'll look at the code. So I'll look at it and just for any red flags.
Yeah, I'm going to be doing that until I know everything about Angular that I can possibly know.
That's great.
Hey, I helped crutch my way through some code and helped Jason pretty well today.
I heard it. It sounded very productive. It sounded very awesome.
But yeah, it's good. Just actually, I think my weakness is just the ES6 stuff, and with being in React so much lately, it's starting to blossom a lot. So it's nice.
Cool.
All right, Nate.
Yeah, so just more unit testing. That's about it. There's some times when it's fun. And man, I've been shredding too. Look at that.
Woo! They look smaller.
They might be.
They better be because you have to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need smaller biceps so he can code faster. This is too hard.
Well,
Yeah.
I always like he sits like this on couches coding. That would hurt my wrists.
Yeah, I've been doing some shredding, been doing some unit tests. I want to get into those fixes you put up on the PR for the exercise stuff for the free platform. But I'll probably get into that either this weekend or early next week because I'm leaving tomorrow.
Oh.
And I'm driving him.
I can't guarantee it's going to wait that long because I don't got time for the things like that.
Yeah. Well, that's why I said I was going to hop onto it, and you said do tests. But I'm not blaming you, Jacob.
You can do the fixes that are already posted.
Okay.
Feel free.
Okay.
I'll be in my own branch fixing the indexing and tvOS, so you're good.
Okay. So I'll get it this weekend.
All right, cool.
That's
We
it.
still have, tonight till like at least like 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Everyone always disappears like 8 p.m. on me, and I just sit there talking to myself. Except Evan will dive in once in a while.
Yeah,
But he can't help me with code stuff.
as seen as I email Vimeo completely wrong information.
Oh, man.
It's okay. It looked like Mark had a couple different thought patterns.
It's not bad, Mark. I'm giving you a bad rap on Vimeo's team.
It's all good. I don't care what you think about it. So.
All right, Mark, how about you?
Good day. As I said, I've been not sleeping a whole lot, but it's a good thing. We got some plans underway, making some plans, doing a lot of talking with Evan back and forth. It's about future and, it's cool stuff. The growth and expansion of Devslopes and beyond, and how we're going to aggressively tackle that and destroy our competitors and stuff like that. So really good stuff. I've been integrating Yapto into our platform. For those of you who are on the team who don't know what that is, it's a pretty heavy integration that we, in a company that we're working with to increase our SEO traffic and also provide better service to our students in the name of getting reviews and helping them give reviews, as well as questions and answers, discussions, getting those up on all of our courses on the website, like this week, versus 3 week, 4 week feature build out. And anyway, so I've been integrating that all day, running into some issues. It's funny, they have like every integration except like ActiveCampaign and except Stripe And so like I have to do the custom stuff. It's anyway. Oh, and of course Angular. You know, they just assume nobody's using Angular, and so they give you all the tools you need, assuming you're not using Angular. So I have to code workarounds for that. And so anyway, it's partially there. For those of you who are watching, go to devslopes.com. We could really use your help. There's a little on the left side. There's a little box that says reviews, a red box. Click it and write us a review. Tell us what you think, what you've learned. We could really use it. Do it right now. Devslopes.com. Click the review box and start writing a review. We could really use your help. What it's going to do is it's going to, one, let your voice get out. And so new students coming in, if they're making a decision, they can be informed. And secondly, it's going to help Devslopes increase in our SEO. We're going to rise on the ranks, and it'll be because of your reviews. So please do that. We'd love to help. And question and answers are coming soon to the website, so you can actually post coding questions right on the course, right on the website, and get answers to it. And that's coming very, very soon, in addition to writing reviews for your particular favorite course that you're taking. So good stuff's happening, and that'll all be happening as soon as their customer support helps me through it. So did that, and yeah, I'm sure I did other stuff too, but yep.
Sweet, man. Cool. Janet B. Johnny looks confused and lost.
Yeah. We should dub him.
Still working. Answering a bunch of people's questions on Discord right now. Let's see. Today, I spent half the day setting up my new iMac. Man, getting everything set up on a new computer is like...
Yeah, you forget how much there is.
Yeah, it's like a full day. I got to download Xcode, Android
Wait till you get your
Studio.
Windows computer. Wait till you get your Windows computer when you have to install Git and all the things that you get for free on Mac automatically, like Ruby and all that stuff, you know, from anything. Just, oh.
Yeah, there goes my tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, just been working on the Kotlin videos. Got a couple more for you to, or that I'll upload to Vimeo, and that'll complete section 1. Well, I mean, it'll be ready enough to put up. It won't feel disjointed.
So Johnny, for those who are watching, if they're asking you when is section 1 going to be available, what would you tell them?
Wait, Jason, you're leaving?
Huh?
Are you leaving? You said you're leaving tomorrow?
No.
I'm just
driving
Nathan to the airport.
Oh, okay.
So that's going to take the whole day.
Well, but it's going to take the whole day because it's like 3 hours one way.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll have the videos up on Vimeo in like an hour.
Okay.
So if Jason can get those 2 sections up, then that could be tonight.
He kind of has this problem where he's coding and like he's like blocking us out in the whole world, and so it concerns me a little bit. But so anyone who's watching, if you want to start the Android course, please email jason@devslopes.com and beg him to get on this. Otherwise, you're not going to get it. So you can tag him in Discord and send him an email. He'd really appreciate that.
And his phone number is...
But yep, that's what I got. So I'll let you know when those are ready, Jason, and the order and everything, and then we can get those up.
Hey, Johnny, what camera do you use right now for your videos?
The Logitech HD, whatever that everyone uses.
What microphone?
Yeti.
Okay, so you want me to buy you a backdrop?
Sure, if you want me to.
We're all starting to do it. It'll just kind of make things more consistent. Is that okay? What do you think?
Yeah, I guess. We'll have to do a little rearranging, but that should be fine.
Okay. He doesn't sound so sure, but anyway, I'll talk to you more about it.
I'm just looking at my room, seeing how I would change stuff up. But yeah, that'd be cool. It'll look good.
Now, the backdrop goes behind you, not like on you like a cape. Or
Dang
a cloak.
Wrong back.
All right, good work. I would have said mind your own business to when to expect the Android course, but that's my response.
Standard.
Evan, you have a glare on your camera, and you don't look.
Too.
You don't look that pretty.
It's the sun.
There we go. There we go. Oh, anyways,
it's a filter, Jacob. It's artistic.
Let's see. So the two main things I did today. One, had a really good student summit. For those of you who didn't watch, check it out. Really cool story about a guy who just got into coding like 3 months ago, found our course, dropped out of college, and he's already getting internship opportunities, which is really, really cool. So did that. Shout out to Jake for setting all of that up. He's got, I think, 3 lined up for the next 3 weeks. So that's all really good. And then, like Mark said, just a lot of planning and a lot of figuring out. Like, we're at a point as a company where, you know, like everyone is being the jack of all trades, and at some point we want to, you know, even things out a little bit and allow people to hone in on what they do. So that's pretty much my day. Vicky just got back, so she's gonna update us on who now? Hang on.
Jack and Caleb.
Yeah. What did Jack do today, Vicky?
One for another job.
One for another jog.
Yeah. I don't know.
What else? He already trimmed his beard the other day. So
yeah, he trimmed his beard, went for a jog.
What did he eat today?
Pasta.
All right. Pasta.
Pasta pizza.
A pasta. And what did Caleb do?
I don't think they have that in Missouri.
Pasta pizza.
Caleb was a vegan in Arkansas. So what did he do?
I forgot about that.
What did he do today?
He went to a wedding.
Actually, I think
It is probably.
I think that is true. Normally, that's Evan's update.
True. Too true. But yeah, that's mine and Caleb and Jack's updates.
All right, sweet. I had to say that was they had a little bit of a weak day today. They barely said anything, but that's okay.
Pasta and a run.
Aw, and a little joke.
Maddie did it. Just kidding. Sorry, this is being filmed. Sorry.
Forever and ever. All right, cool, guys. I'm going to go break my brain with recursive functions.
Nice. Have fun.
All right.
I will. All right, see you guys.
Peace.